Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases on the horizon, the 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. This car is making waves as it brings back a legendary nameplate with a modern twist, blending retro muscle car vibes with cutting-edge technology and performance. Chevrolet's bringing the heat, and I'm here to give you the full scoop front to back, inside and out, under the hood, and everything in between. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started with this in-depth look at the 2026 Monte Carlo SS. Let's kick things off by checking out the exterior, starting with the front end. The 2026 Monte Carlo SS is a head-turner from the moment you lay eyes on it. The front fascia is bold and aggressive, channeling that classic muscle car swagger, while staying undeniably modern. You've got a massive dual-bar grille dominating the face, flanked by sleek, adaptive LED headlights that give it a sharp, predatory look. These headlights don't just look good, they adjust dynamically to road conditions for better visibility. The Chevrolet body emblem sits proudly in the center, finished in a slick black and chrome combo that adds a touch of sophistication. The sculpted hood is a standout feature, with functional air intakes that nod to the Monte Carlo's racing heritage while helping keep the engine cool. It's muscular without being overdone, striking that perfect balance between retro cool and contemporary style. Whether you're pulling up to a car show or just cruising through town, this front end demands attention. Now, let's walk around to the side profile. The Monte Carlo SS carries that iconic long hood short deck design that made the original such a classic. The lines are smooth yet purposeful, with a subtle curve that gives it a dynamic, ready-to-pounce stance. You'll notice the aerodynamic bodywork with clean, flowing lines that reduce drag and hint at the car's performance potential. The 20-inch alloy wheels, standard on the SS trim, fill out the wheel wells perfectly, wrapped in low-profile performance tires that scream grip. Chrome accents along the window lines and side mirrors add a touch of elegance, while the SS badging near the rear wheel lets everyone know this isn't your average coupe. The side also shows off the car's muscular haunches, giving it a planted look that's both aggressive and refined. Available in colors like precision red, superior blue metallic, and a sleek jet black, the Monte Carlo SS looks like it's moving even when it's standing still. Moving to the rear, the Monte Carlo SS keeps the bold vibes going. The taillights are slim, LED units that wrap around the back, giving it a modern, high-tech appearance while still paying homage to the classic Monte Carlo's wide stance. A subtle rear spoiler adds just the right amount of sportiness without being too flashy, and it's functional, helping with downforce at higher speeds. The dual exhaust outlets, finished in polished chrome, poke out from the lower rear fascia, hinting at the power lurking under the hood. The rear bumper is sculpted to match the car's aggressive aesthetic with a diffuser-like design that enhances aerodynamics. It's a clean, purposeful look that ties the whole exterior together, making the Monte Carlo SS feel like a proper muscle car that's ready for the modern era. Now, let's step inside and check out the interior, because this is where the Monte Carlo SS really flexes its versatility. Slide into the cabin, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with performance. The premium leather bucket seats, complete with suede inserts and SS-stitched logos, hug you just right, supportive for spirited driving but comfortable enough for long cruises. The flat-bottom steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara, feels fantastic in your hands, with controls for audio, cruise, and performance settings right at your fingertips. At the heart of the dash is a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen running Chevrolet's LATST infotainment system. It's snappy, intuitive, and packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an optional Bose premium sound system that'll make your playlist sound epic. The digital driver's display is fully customizable, showing everything from navigation to performance metrics like G-forces and lap times, perfect for track days. Ambient lighting sets the mood with customizable colors to match your vibe, and the dual-zone climate control keeps everyone comfortable. There's even a panoramic sunroof to let in some extra light and make the cabin feel airy. Despite its sporty focus, practicality isn't forgotten. There's generous trunk space for weekend getaways, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system keep you secure. It's a cabin that feels premium, tech-savvy, and ready for anything. Alright, let's talk performance, because the 2026 Monte Carlo SS is no slouch. Under the hood, Chevrolet has gone all in with a 6.2-liter LT7 V8 engine that pumps out a jaw-dropping 620 horsepower and 580 pound-feet of torque. This thing is a beast, delivering power that pins you to your seat and makes every drive an event. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission or an optional 6-speed manual for purists, this powertrain sends all that grunt to the rear wheels, giving you that classic muscle car feel with modern refinement. Chevrolet's tuned the suspension with performance in mind, using adaptive dampers that let you switch between comfort and sport modes. In sport mode, the Monte Carlo SS handles like a dream, with precise steering and minimal body roll, making it surprisingly agile. For a car of its size, expect 0 to 60 miles per hour times in the 4.5 to 5 second range, putting it in the same league as some serious performance coupes. The brakes are beefy, with 6-piston calipers up front and 4-piston calipers in the rear, giving you confident stopping power. And with features like launch control and a track package option that includes stickier tires and upgraded cooling, this car is ready for both the street and the occasional track day. It's not just fast, it's a well-rounded performer that feels alive in your hands. Now, let's get to the numbers that matter to your wallet. The 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS is expected to start at around $55,000 for the base SS model, which is a solid value for the performance and features you're getting. If you go all in with options like the track package, premium interior trims, and that killer Bose sound system, you're looking at a price closer to $70,000 compared to rivals like the Ford Mustang GT or Dodge Challenger. The Monte Carlo SS holds its own, offering a unique blend of retro-inspired style, modern tech, and raw V8 power. Pre-orders are expected to open in mid-2026, with the official launch slated for the third quarter of 2025, so you won't have to wait too long to get behind the wheel. So, what are my suggestions for the 2026 Monte Carlo SS? First off, if you're a purist, go for the 6-speed manual. It's rare to see a manual option these days, and it'll make every drive more engaging. If you're planning to hit the track package is a must for the Facetune, the extra grip and cooling upgrades. For daily drivers, stick with the automatic for smoother shifts and better fuel economy, especially if you're doing more highway miles. Color-wise, I'd lean toward precision red or jet black to really make this car pop. And if you're on a budget, the base SS model still gives you plenty of bang for your buck. Don't feel pressured to load up on every option unless you really want the fully loaded experience. One thing to keep in mind, some sources have raised doubts about whether this car is actually happening, so stay tuned for official confirmation from Chevrolet before getting your hopes too high. Alright, folks, that's our deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo S. This car is shaping up to be a true modern classic, blending the soul of the original Monte Carlo with the tech and performance we expect in 2026. From its striking exterior to its luxurious, tech-packed interior and that monstrous 620 horsepower V8, it's a car that's built to thrill while still being practical enough for everyday driving. Whether you're a longtime Monte Carlo fan or just love a good muscle car, this one's got the looks, the power, and the heritage to make a serious impact. What do you think? Does the 2026 Monte Carlo SS live up to the legend? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know if you'd go manual or automatic. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.